Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Bob's Big Surprise. Take a moment to look at the image. What do you see? Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own. Please pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Awesome. Let's look at the image description together. This man's name is Bob. He is 75 years old. His blue eyes make him stand out, while his white hair and beard make him look nice. Right now, Bob looks very surprised. His hands are up, his mouth is open wide, and his eyes are big. What made him so shocked? Bob often gets surprised by his grandchildren. Today, he was reading a book in the living room when his grandchildren suddenly jumped out and shouted, "Grandpa!" Bob was shocked, but in a good way, and started laughing. His face shows both surprise and happiness. This could be another fun and happy moment with his family. Now we want you to do the 10 attached questions. Pause the video while you do this, and after we will go over the answers together. Pause now. Very nice. Let's take a look at the questions together. Question 1. How old is Bob? Bob is 75 years old. The answer is B. The story tells us he is 75. Question 2. What color are Bob's eyes? And we know his eyes are C, blue, and they make him stand out. Question 3. What does Bob have on his face? The answer is B. He has a white beard on his face. The story tells us, and we can see the beard in the image. Question 4. Why does Bob look so surprised? C. His grandchildren surprised him. The story tells us his grandchildren like to surprise him and gives us an example of one day when they did. Question 5. What was Bob doing before his grandchildren surprised him? B. He was reading. He was reading in the living room as the story tells us. Question 6. How did Bob react after being surprised? Well, C. He laughed. The story says he was surprised in a good way, and he laughed. Question 7. What emotions can we see in Bob's face? C. Surprise and happiness. We know from the image he is surprised, and the story tells us he was surprised, but in a good way, and it was a happy moment. So the answer is C. Question 8. What do Bob's grandchildren like to do? D. They like to surprise him. The story tells us they like to surprise him. Question 9. Why is this moment special for Bob? And the answer is A. It shows a fun memory or moment with his family. And the story ends with saying that it is an example of another fun and happy moment together with family. Question 10. What can we learn about Bob from the story? A. He enjoys spending time with his family. We know he loves being surprised by his grandchildren, and we're given an example of family time spent together. The reason the other answers don't work, B, C, and D, is they're all negative. He doesn't like surprises is wrong because he likes surprises. He doesn't like his grandchildren is wrong because he loves his grandchildren. And D, he prefers to be alone. No, he doesn't. It's too negative. He wants to be with family and spend time with them. Now that you've done the 10 questions, take the ebook, see it, try it, speak it, and go over the questions again. The ebook will give you an in depth explanation of why each answer is correct. We also recommend rereading the image description on your own at least 2 more times to help with understanding, memorization, sentence structure, and vocabulary. For an added bonus, look at the image again. Make some more describing sentences. It's always good to practice. In today's lesson, we described Grandpa Bob. Did you enjoy the lesson? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. If you want our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It, check the link below in the description. It's available at the Google Store, and for a limited time, we're offering a 30% discount for the next 3 months. No matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me, and it's not hard as long as you keep going. Remember, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can make more content for you. Until next time, bye-bye.